Death of Cary-Hiroyuki Tagawa. Cause of death, stroke complications. What is a stroke? A stroke occurs when blood supply to the brain is reduced or blocked, causing brain cells to die due to lack of oxygen. Types of stroke. Ischemic stroke. Caused by a blood clot blocking a brain blood vessel. Leads to reduced blood flow and brain damage. Formation of blood clot in the blood vessels prevents movement of blood to the brain. Reduced oxygen and glucose to the brain reduces energy and functioning of the brain. Hemorrhagic stroke, caused by a burst blood vessel in the brain, leads to bleeding and pressure that destroys brain cells. How stroke leads to death. Damaged brain cells cannot control essential functions like breathing and heartbeat. Severe injury causes loss of consciousness and organ failure. This leads to fatal complications, as in Tagawa's case. When a stroke occurs, brain cells die in the affected area. These cells may control vital functions such as breathing and heartbeat. If these areas are severely damaged, the person can lose consciousness and the organs may stop working properly, leading to death, as happened in Tagawa's case. High blood pressure, major cause. High blood pressure puts excess force on blood vessel walls, making them weak or likely to burst. It can also cause vessels to become narrow, reducing blood flow to the brain. Old age, risk increases after 65. Tagawa was 75. As people age, blood vessels become less elastic and may harden, making blockages and vessel rupture more likely. High cholesterol, excess cholesterol forms fatty deposits, plaques, inside arteries. These plaques narrow blood vessels and can break off to form clots, blocking blood flow to the brain. Diabetes. Diabetes causes high blood sugar, which damages blood vessels over time. Diabetics also form clots more easily, increasing stroke risk. Smoking. Chemicals in cigarette smoke damage blood vessel walls, increase blood pressure, and make the blood thicker, encouraging clot formation. Obesity and inactivity. Being overweight and physically inactive increases risks of hypertension, diabetes, and high cholesterol, all of which can trigger a stroke. Heart diseases can form blood clots. Certain heart conditions, such as irregular heartbeat, can cause blood to pool and form clots. These clots can travel to the brain and block a vessel, causing a stroke. Management of stroke. Immediate care. Quick recognition using FAST, face drooping, arm weakness, speech problems, time to seek help. Rapid hospital treatment. Ischemic stroke treatment. Clot dissolving drugs. Blood thinners, surgical removal of the clot, hemorrhagic stroke treatment. Control of bleeding, surgery to repair the ruptured vessel. Reduce pressure in the brain. Long-term management. Control blood pressure, healthy diet and exercise. Stop smoking, physiotherapy for recovery. Cary-Hiroyuki Tagawa died from stroke complications, a condition where blood flow to the brain fails, leading to brain cell death. Strokes mainly arise from clots or burst vessels and are worsened by factors such as age, hypertension, and heart disease.